Which date in December?
12th.
12th. Very good. Excellent. In which place?
Lucknow, sir.
Very good. So you are appearing for specialist or generalist?
Specialist,
Which
accounts
specialist?
and finance.
Oh, very good. Excellent. So I think I've started already a recording. Yeah. Now, can
Should
you
I
please?
start
Yeah.
start the video, sir?
You want video? Yeah, but my presence may not be that very good. Doesn't matter. Come,
Okay, sir.
come. If you are confident, you come. Yeah, good.
Am I visible, sir?
Yeah, you are visible. Archit Garg, fine.
Good evening,
Now,
sir.
good evening. Good evening. Yeah, Archit Garg, this is your first interview with me.
Yes, sir. This is my first.
Very good. Please tell me about yourself.
Uh, so my name is Arshit Kar. I was born and brought up in Meerut, a city in Western Uttar Pradesh. I completed my schooling from Meerut itself. Thereafter, I did my graduation in BCom honors from Shri Ram College of Commerce, University of Delhi. I'm passionate about music, contributing towards social welfare and spirituality.
Mm, what is your father?
So my father owns a business, and my mother also assists him in his business.
Mhm. Very good. How many siblings you have?
I have a younger sister, sir.
Very good. Now, um, yeah. What have you prepared for this interview?
So I prepared HR
Hmm.
and some basics of my graduation, accounts
Hmm.
and such subjects, some basics of insurance
Hmm.
and the insurance sector as a whole.
Hmm. Good.
Also researched about some facts about the company as well.
Mhm. Good. Can you please tell me what do you understand by insurance and why people take insurance? What is the advantage for insurance companies?
So, sir, insurance is a contract between two parties, wherein the insurer provides the uh, a tool to manage the risk of the insured person, and in return of a premium amount that is paid by the insured. And so the need for insurance is because we are surrounded by risk, and we need to mitigate those risks. That's why we take insurance policies. And advantages for the insurance companies is because they do not have to compensate every individual. So risk may or may not occur. So there is uh, not every time that insurance company pay has to pay for the risk coverage. So that's where it earns the profit.
How do you say so? If there is a risk that has that has happened, some calamity that has happened, then the insurance company must pay. What are the circumstances under which they can deny payment?
No, sir, I wanted to say that the risk may not occur or the event may not occur for which the coverage has been taken. That may not occur. Uh, so that's where the
That's
insurance
what is.
company.
Oh, because the people take mediclaim insurance, but if they don't have any necessity for
Exactly.
getting hospitalized and all, there will not be. That is one. Okay, very good. Excellent. So, what do you understand by inflation?
Sir, inflation is the general rise in the price level in the economy.
Mm, okay, over a length of time, not once only, over a length
Yeah.
of time.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what is the inflation on our country now?
Sir, I think it is hovering around 6%.
No, in the month of October, it was 4.787%.
Okay, sir. Thanks for updating my knowledge, sir.
Yeah, 4.87%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you please describe your job role in our United India Insurance?
So, sir, I think I would be responsible for managing the accounts of the company and also assess the various investment proposals wherein we can invest the customer's premium to get the optimized returns for the company.
Hmm. Apart from that,
Apart from that, sir, managing the accounts of the company and checking whether the accounts uh, con- adheres to the financial requirements or the audit requirements and the standards that are set by the ICAI or the
hmm,
Companies Act 2030.
hmm, hmm, yeah. Can you please tell me what is it? What have you studied? MCom,
BCom, sir, BCom honors.
BCom honors. So
Yes,
why
sir.
did you stop with BCom? Why did you not go for MCom?
So basically, right after my college, I started preparing for civil services, and I think it would have created a commitment issue. So I wanted to give my wholehearted uh, towards my civil services preparation. So that's why
Hmm,
I dropped the idea of doing post graduation. Moreover, I did not wanted to pursue higher academics such as PhD or NET JRF.
hmm, correct. Okay. Can you talk to me something about IRDAI?
Sir, IRDI is the insurance regulator for the country, and it regulates the insurance businesses. It was set up, I think, around 2011, 2001, if I'm not wrong.
Hmm? I think the date may not be correct now. You are talking about IRDA Act.
No, sir. IRDI is a regulatory body.
No, but it was formed only after that act. Uh, I,
Insurance.
Insurance Act is, what is the Insurance Act?
Sir, it is the 1938. Insurance Act is 1938.
And IRDA Act has come in 1999.
Yes, sir.
1999. Doesn't matter. So go ahead. What do you know about IRDAI?
So as far as my knowledge is concerned, it regulates the entire business of insurance. It also works towards increasing the insurance penetration in India,
Hmm.
and
There
it
is
sets
no,
the
there
industry
is,
guidelines and
there is,
standards.
there is no need for us to tell according to my knowledge. You cannot talk according to my knowledge. You have to talk to your knowledge only. So such extra words are to be avoided in an interview. We have to use catchwords or words that will convey the meaning that you know the subject. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what are the, when I question like this is asked, you can tell where is the organization, who is the chairman of the organization, what are the basic functions of the organization, what are the objectives of that organization. That's all.
Sure,
Tell
sir.
me.
So it was established in 2000s, and its headquarters is in Hyderabad. It generally regulates the insurance business in India, and also work towards increasing the insurance penetration. It sets the industry guideline standards to improve the uh, performance of the insurance business in India.
Can you tell me what does section 14 of IRDA Act says?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
I think I have already given you a material. I have given you a material, like olive boards material, which tells about this one.
Okay, sir.
Can you read this?
Yes, sir. So it describes the duties, powers, and functions of IRDI, which are to issue the applicant a certificate of registration, renew, modify, withdraw, suspend, or cancel such registration, protection of the interests of the policyholders in matters concerning assigning of policy, nomination by policyholders, insurable interest, settlement of insurance claim, surrender value of policy, and other terms and conditions of contracts of insurance, calling for information from, undertaking inspection of, conducting inquiries and investigations, including audit of insurers, intermediaries, insurance intermediaries, and other organizations connected with the insurance business.
So likewise,
Control.
okay, sufficient. You go through this again afterwards. All this is available in the folder given to you like this. Did you
Yes,
go
sir.
through this folder?
Sure, sir. I'll be
This
whole. I'll make sure
this,
that I'm
this
whole
file,
well
this
versed
is
with
the
this.
file, this is the file I am referring now. Apart from this, the files you have to go through is that general insurance questions. General insurance questions, like this. These are the general questions they will ask in any interview. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So you please go through this one also.
Definitely, sir.
Then most common interview questions. This is HR questions.
Yeah, I've
Can
gone
you,
through it, sir.
yeah. Can you please tell me what are your strengths?
Sir, my strengths are the first of all is that I'm very inquisitive and I'm forever in a learning mode. Others are that I'm very emotionally mature as a person.
Mm,
Uh, I have varied experiences and have knowledge from various of multi-disciplines because of my UPSC background, and because I also part-timely manage my father's business, so I know how to get things done from people and manage people at the workplace.
mhm. Acha, good. Can you tell me what are the strategies you adopt in managing your business?
So first is at the managing the employees. I think as far as the management of the employees is concerned, I think we should uh, always increase their motivation as to link their personal interest with the organization interest, and also approach a mix of soft and hard uh, behavior while dealing with them. Sometimes you have to be strict, and sometimes you have to make them feel that they are at home, that you consider them as your family. So you can get the things done from them. And
What
as
are
far as
the what are the three golden rules of bookkeeping?
three golden, sorry, I'm not aware of it. Golden rule of
Base,
book.
it's a basic thing. The
There is
accounts are classified into threefold: personal account,
okay,
a
sir.
real
Nominal account
account.
and real account.
What are the rules?
So for personal account, it is debit the receiver and credit the giver. For
Mm,
real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. For
mm,
nominal account, debit all the debit all the expenses and the losses, and credit all the income and gains.
super. You told correctly. Very good. Please tell me what is gross profit?
Sir, gross profit is sale minus cost of goods sold.
Mm, what is it? What is it?
Sir,
Sales.
sales minus cost of goods sold.
What is cost of goods sold?
Sir, it is opening stock plus net purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock.
Very good. Now, what is net profit?
The net profit is gross profit minus all the indirect expenses.
What are the indirect expenses?
So it may be salary, indirect commission, not wages, salary, and dis, uh,
Rent.
and interest, rent.
So you please revise your knowledge regarding this. Now, after net profit, so what is balance sheet?
The balance sheet is a statement which states the company's position vis-a-vis its assets, liabilities, and capital at the end of the year.
So what does it shows? What are the various items that will appear on the liabilities side of a balance sheet?
So it is majorly classified into two head, which is current liabilities and non-current liabilities. In current liabilities, we may have bank loans, debenture accounts, and in non-current liability side, we may have trade payables and any bank over not trade
What, what,
payables,
what? Trade payables.
trade payables, yes, sir. Creditors, trade payables,
That will come under what?
non-current liabilities.
No,
Sorry, current liabilities. I'm sorry, sir.
sundry creditors will come under current liability only.
Yes, sir. Current liabilities.
Okay. Then under non-current liability,
Sir, bank loans, long-term loans, long-term borrowings.
no, you must try to tell a current liability is one which is repayable within a period of 12 months.
Yes, sir.
Whereas a non-current liability is one, the liability arisen and where the repayment has to be made after 1 year.
1 year.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the other item that will appear under the liability side of a balance sheet?
Sir, it is the shareholder funds.
or capital?
Yes, sir.
Good. Why it is shown as a liability?
Sir, because of the separate entity concept, which is a basic assumption in accounting.
Excellent. Please tell me what are the items that will appear under the asset side?
Sir, again, we can classify them as current and non-current. In non-current, we will have fixed assets and intangible assets. Fixed assets like plant and machinery and land
Mm,
and building, while
mm,
intangible assets like goodwill, trademark, copyrights,
mm.
and in current assets, we can have trade receivables,
No,
cash
no.
and cash equivalents.
Intangible assets, I don't think it will come under non-current assets. It will appear separately. Current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What are fixed assets?
Sir, for which the income arises over the period of exceeding 1 year.
No, no such definition. Fixed assets are those properties like, say, land, building, and machinery. How?
Sir,
What?
they generate incomes exceeding to 1 year, no? Like,
No, 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 no. Exceeding that and all is not required.
okay, sir.
Simply land, building, and machinery, vehicles, etc.
Yes, sir.
And current assets are, say, those the monies that we have to receive within a period of
Within a
say
period of 1 year.
12 months,
Yes.
or the loans that we have given, or sundry debtors, that supplies made by us to our customers.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So like that we should tell. Good. What is GST? What is the news about GST in the papers in the recent times?
Sir, the news has been that uh, all since the beginning of the financial year, every month we have crossed the collection of one exceeding 1.5 lakh crore.
Good. Excellent. Excellent. Good. So that is the point. Who is the defense minister? Sorry, finance minister of our country?
Shri Nirmala Sitaraman.
Not Shri. Mrs.
Shrimati.
Nirmala. Srimati. Correct.
Yes.
You are actually from which state? Madhya
Uttar
Pradesh.
Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Oh, good. Uttar Pradesh. Now, what is the speciality of Uttar Pradesh when compared to other states?
Sir, I think the demographic dividend.
Mm,
We have large populations, sir, because of the fertile agricultural plains.
good. Then, good point. Then,
Sir, its culture. We have
okay.
one of the oldest civilization, which is in Varanasi.
Yeah,
It is one of the world's oldest city,
very good.
and large natural resources,
Mm,
especially in the agriculture area.
talk in terms of politics.
It is, sir, it has the largest Lok Sabha seats.
Mm,
It's the largest MP in the Lok Sabha and as well as in the Rajya Sabha.
mm.
So it is said in political terms, it is said that the way of Delhi goes through Uttar Pradesh.
That is right. No, no. Actually, you can also tell about more number of MLAs in state assembly. I'm not aware of any other state having more than this number of MLAs.
It has
And,
the highest.
and more number of districts, 75 districts in one state.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what it is. And imagine now it is 75. Prior to dividing it as Uttarakhand, how many districts it would have been? I'm not sure. Now, tell me, when was Uttarakhand formed?
2001.
Acha. Who is the chief minister of Uttarakhand?
Pushkar Singh Dhami ji.
What was the recent news about Uttarakhand regarding the mines?
Sir, a mishap happened in the Silkyara while constructing the Silkyara road tunnel, and the 41 laborers got stuck inside the tunnel, and after 17 days, they were rescued.
I'm really, I don't know how people would have lived for 17 days
Yes, sir.
without light. Maybe they would have provided light. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's great. Something great.
Yes, sir.
When did you complete your degree?
So it is 2018.
After that, you have not been working. You have been only preparing for civil service or whatever other exams, correct?
Sir, I have been working part-timely in my father's business, but not as professionally.
Achha, achha. You are doing part-time. Good. Excellent.
Thank you,
Tell me the accomplishment about which you are proud of.
sir. I
Yeah,
think,
actually, this is a very odd question for persons like you who have had about 4 or 5 years gap. And the only thing is you have to tell something which you did during your college days.
sir, but I think there have been a lot of learnings throughout my journey of life. I think I've grown as a person. I've become emotionally mature. I've been able to I have the courage to handle failures. So I think these are my achievements so far.
Good. Very nice. You managed this question. Tell me about a time when you made a mistake.
Sir, I think recently when I was booking train tickets for my journey to the Lucknow, uh, I while booking from Meerut to Lucknow, I booked. It was a uh, day train, so I booked for AC 3 tier, while the return ticket was of night time, but I booked of the sleeper class. So I think it should have been the other way around,
Hmm,
because at night time you should have safety of your belongings, so you should prefer AC ticket.
hmm.
And if at all I had to save my money, I should book sleeper ticket while going towards Lucknow.
Good. Tell me about U.I.I.C.
So it is a general insurance company, a public sector insurance company, wherein the uh, entire shareholding lies with the government of India. It was established in 1938, and it has headquarters in Chennai. Its chairman and managing director is Mr. Satyajit Tripathi.
You said U.I.I.C. 100% is with government.
Yes, sir.
It is not quoted in the stock exchange.
No, sir.
Really?
No, sir. It is not listed.
Hmm. No, no, but here it is telling what is the share price of United India Insurance. Where did you get this information? You saw in the website?
So from recent article in Indian newspaper, it said that only New India Insurance is listed in the stock exchange.
For
Government is
the,
planning to list them.
oh, only New India Assurance, correct?
Yes, sir. Only
Hello.
New India Insurance is listed.
Oh, very nice. Thank you. Who are the key people in our company? Who are the key persons in our company? What happened? Satyajit Tripathi. Is it correct? Acha, internet is not working. Hello. That voice. Internet has got cut. It's perhaps. Oh, he has. He is not there now. It's okay. Just a minute. Maybe he will come again. Yeah. Um, I have to wait for him. What is his number? 84456. Sid Garg is coming. Yeah.
I think some technical issue happened, sir.
Yeah, it
Sorry
happens.
for that.
It happens very frequently.
Sorry for that, sir.
No, it's okay. No problem. It's not, you're not, it's not your mistake. Now, okay. As you said, it is 100% owned by that one. Fine. Very good. Nice information. Now, like this, we can be going on asking some more questions. See,
Yes, sir.
please prepare for some more ideas also. Next time when we meet, I will ask some other questions regarding ratio analysis, then funds flow, cash flow, and also about Income Tax Act, like that. These questions I will just try to ask you, and also about the balance sheet of our United India insurance company. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you. For sure, sir.
So you are answering very well. I wish you should read something more also so that you can answer without any difficulties. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Sir, any feedback for me?
No, nothing. You are more or less you have been answering very well. But the only problem for you is that you are competing with the chartered accountants, then MComs. So that's where even you should answer all the questions with confidence and clarity. You are doing it. No problem. Best wishes.
Sir, one more thing.
Yeah.
My next interview is scheduled on 9th of December. But I have a wedding to attend on that day. So can I prepone it on 7th or 8th
1 minute. 1 minute. 9th of December.
at 8:20
8:20.
in the evening?
Yeah. So which time you want?
Sir, any on 7th or 8th? Maybe 8th.
7th, 8:20. No. 7th is which? What is the day for that?
Day for 7th today is Tuesday.
That
Sir,
is Saturday.
Thursday.
No. 8th is Friday, no?
Yes, sir.
8th may not be possible because I will be attending some course. Are you free in the daytime?
No, sir, I have a wedding to attend for the entire day.
Oh, then shall I make it 7th?
Sure, sir. I'm comfortable.
7th, 5:20.
Sure, sir.
8445615. Okay, I have noted it. Please send a message confirming this also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so
Thank
much.
you.
You did well. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Now I think somebody has to come next. Some name has been put. 8:40 is yours. You are supposed to come at 8:40, no? Yeah. You are the last candidate. Thank you.
Yes,
Bye.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Karthik, any questions? Any other doubts you have, Karthik?
No, sir, it's clean.
Just you came for observing.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Good. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.